Hi guys, this is Ben from JexTab showing you the brand new JexTab Delux. This is a sample that I've got in, give you a quick video review of it. We'll be giving you some more detailed reviews on this model in the coming weeks. But to start with, this is our first tablet running a dual-core processor. It's running the same processor as the Motorola Zoom, the Nvidia Tegra 2 dual-core processor. So that means that this will be upgradable to Android 3.0. Now we're expecting to get the update within the next sort of 2 months or so. It will be here by July definitely. But if I just talk you through. So it's got that processor, you've got 512 megabytes of RAM and a 512 megabyte hard drive. Now it does support SD cards up to 32 gigabytes for expandable storage, which is very handy. So if I just show you around the device quickly, I've got it powered on at the moment. So the back of it, we've got the Delux, as this is the JexTab Delux. We've got two speakers either side at the bottom here. I'll show you in a minute, they are quite loud. Then at the top we've got the power on button, we've got a microphone here, we've got a slide lock for the orientation, and then we've got the back button, hard back button there as well. Moving around to this side, we've got a volume rocker switch, we've got a headphone jack, we've got a nice magnetic, if I can get this open, it does take a bit of getting used to, but so we pull that open there, you can see you've got a micro SD slot there, expandable up to 32 gigabytes. You've got a full USB port and a full HDMI port, so it's not one of those micro ones, it's a full HDMI, and then you've got your power socket there as well. Moving round, there is a docking feature for this tablet, and the dock will be coming out again, you know, within the next sort of couple of months. This side's nice and clean, silver. And then coming along the top again, I forgot to show you at the back here, there is a SIM card slot here. Now this, very similar to the Tegra, to the Zoom, to the Advent Vega, ViewSonic, they're all very similar. The difference with this one is that it's supporting 3G already, and we're launching with the 3G model. Wi-Fi only will come later on, as we feel that a lot of people are wanting the mobile connectivity, the 3G side, on a dual-core tablet, and there's just no alternatives for that at the moment. Okay, so if we just go through, I'll show you how the processor works and how speedy it is. You can see here it's a full capacitive multi-touch 10.1 inch LED backlit screen, you know, really sensitive on the finger here. I've got the interactive wallpaper, so you touch it, you can see, yeah, it's really nice feature there. I've set this one up as I've been playing with it, so I've got my Facebook widget, my Twitter widget and my YouTube widget there. Got a few other apps here. This is my home screen, so I've got my Wi-Fi, my Bluetooth, you know, my screen brightness, other bits and pieces. This is my games tab, so I've got a few of my favourite games up there. A few of the features of this JexTab Delux is we've got the apps along the bottom here that stay there on each page. So we've got mail, internet, gallery, camera, music, settings, and the app center that comes installed. The other great thing about this is we've actually got our own launcher on it. We've got a 3D launcher, and I'll first show you that quickly. If we just go to the home button now. There we go. Okay, so if I go into 3D Launcher, you'll see the difference when it boots up. So this is our own custom user interface. So we've got a Google search bar here. This is a scrolling 3 widget scroll. So this is our news feed here. We've set it up with BBC News at the moment. So if you read that, you go on to the next bit. If you want to look at it in more information, you can just double tap it and it'll come through into it. Royal Wedding, Police, you know, this is all good stuff here, and in this bit here, if you push that, it takes you to the full article as well, you know, which is really nice. Show you with the multi-touch, pinch to zoom, works perfectly. So if we come out of that, and I'll show you the information bit. So here you can change it to your RSS settings. So we've got it on BBC News. You can set it to sport. And you can also do a search for any other RSS feed that you want to get in there at all. The next widget we've got is the weather widget here. So you can scroll through, you can set up where you want it. So we've got Shanghai, Tokyo, New York, London, showing you the weather, which is nice there. And then we've got the applications along the bottom here. The other cool thing is with the settings menu. I'll show you here. We've got a different, sorry, not settings, with the programs bar here. So we've got a 3D feel to the to all your applications. So as you can see here, when I slide it, it's just it's just a different take on it, but it makes it really nice because you can see everything there, and when you got it in front of you, it's nice and big. It's got a nice function when you slide it; they sort of go with it. So yeah, that's that. So if we go back to the normal launcher, I'll show you a couple of games we've got on here. Let's go with Angry Birds, as this is everyone's favourite at the moment. Just show you how good the quality is on this great tablet. If I turn the volume up there, you can hear it's quite loud. Turn it down a bit. Oh sticks. Got level 10, I haven't done this one yet. I must have completed this so many times on various tablets. Oh, good first shot there. So if I bring that out, get a better picture. Yes, I got one. Right, so if we come out of that. Yes, I'm sure I want to quit. Okay, so then another game, Fruit Ninja. Just show you quickly again the performance with the gaming side of it. No, I don't want to be part of that. So, this really takes advantage of the capacitive screen. You can see how sensitive it is to the touch. Oh god, I missed that one. Oh, I'm not very good at this from behind the camera. No. Okay, so let's come out of that. Yeah, we want to exit. So if I show you a bit of web browsing now, I'm using Dolphin HD, which is a free download, and it is just so much better. You've got the option of tab browsing there, which just makes it brilliant. So if we go to Google homepage, you'll see how quickly I'm on the Wi-Fi at the moment. That loads up. Do a search for JexTab. Just one J. JexTab there. So, that's how quickly this processor works. Already straight up on the JexTab homepage there. I must say, whilst I'm here, we've just added a live chat function to the site, which is proving very popular indeed. If you've got any thoughts on that, or any other ways that you'd like to see the site improve, please let us know, and we'll definitely take those on board, as we want to make it as user friendly as possible. So then, if I show you, one of the main selling feature of this great tablet is if we go into the settings, wireless and networks, I'll show you the 3G. So let's turn off the Wi-Fi. So that's turning off there, you can see. Turn on Wi-Fi, no. Go into mobile networks, put the 3G on. And hopefully I've got 3G on here. I've got my orange 3G SIM card in there, so we should get some there. So if we come out from that, just wait for that to load up. It will tell us when it's done along the top here. A few other great things about this. I mean, obviously you've got the standard scroller for Android, so you can see your notifications and things. Again, with the customizable background, brilliant. You can really make this your own. Okay, so now that noise is telling us we've got the 3G enabled. So with the 3G, then go back onto the internet. Let's go for the BBC homepage, shall we? bbc.co.uk. So this is over 3G. Let's come up with the mobile page. We go to. Did you go to the full site on this? I'm not too sure. Okay, but so yeah, if we open up another tab, Google. You know, I mean, it's very quick. It's just like you would imagine on your phone, probably a little bit quicker if anything. And this is on my orange SIM card. We do actually sell data packages. If you look on the site under mobile connectivity, I'll show you that now actually whilst we're here. We go to JexTab again. Bring JexTab up. Mobile connectivity here. Click on that. Okay. I've obviously got the rotator on here. So you can see £30 off your tablet when you sign up for a 3G data plan. Very simple. Just click the apply now button, which will be up in the next sort of day or so. And our first deal that we're doing is with O2. So with O2 it's £10.64 a month, 3 GB of data allowance. You know, which is more than you'll need for £10.64 a month. So just follow the steps, apply for that, and you'll get £30 off your tablet. Either, you know, if you've bought a tablet already, then we'll give you a £30 refund. Otherwise, we'll give you a £30 voucher code to use. I forgot to mention also, you've got 2 megapixel webcam at the top there. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite bright in here. I'm just changing the curtains in this office, so we've got a lot of sunlight coming through. What else can I show you quickly? If I show you a video, get an idea of that. So if we get into File Manager here, I just stole this off my my Windows laptop. It's the Windows HD thing. But if I turn up the sound there, you can get an idea of the sound quality and the quality of the picture on here. So then you can hear with the speakers coming out of there. It's beaver there, koala. Okay, so if we come back from that, I'll show you a bit of a more lively one that I've been using. We've got the Star Trek film trailer here. I really do need to watch this film. I keep showing everyone the trailer for it. I think I should be getting some money for that. Okay, so I mean, to sum up, this JexTab, I keep calling it a pad. Just to let you all know, JexPads are our Windows-based tablets, and JexTabs are Android-based. So there is a bit of distinguishment between those two there. Okay, so to sum up, you know, our JexTab here, JexTab Delux, it's got the Tegra dual-core processor in, with the 3G model. Will be on our site within the next 2 weeks. All items are stocked in the UK for next day DHL delivery. We'll be launching this at £289.99, which is, you know, an incredible price if you look at the competition with the ViewSonic and other tablets. And like I said, it will be upgradable to Honeycomb Android 3.0 by July latest. Also, check out our YouTube channel. We're going to be adding a few videos over the coming next few days on how to do things. We understand that Android is a new operating system and some people aren't sure on exactly how things are done. You know, so we'll be just uploading a few sort of short 2 or 3 minute clips on how to do things, and likewise, if there's anything you want to know how to do on the Android system, just let us know and we'll be happy to make a video for you. Okay guys, I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for listening. Bye bye.